Hi treasures, how are you all doing? Let's make golden melon juice. Have you been seeing this fruit and you don't know what to do with it? It's a very delicious, healthy and yummy fruit. You can eat it just the same way you eat your watermelon or even apples. I think it tastes more like apple or banana. It has a very good taste, but today we're not eating it like that. I'm going to be making juice with it, and I'll also be adding some oranges to it. So we're going to be making golden melon and orange juice. I'll go ahead and wash the oranges very well, then peel them, cut them and get them ready for juicing. I have also washed the golden melon thoroughly. What I'll do now is to cut each of them open to remove the seed. It has plenty seed also, like other melon seed. I think you can also eat this. In fact, I've roasted it and I still have it. I'm still eating it. The only thing is that the seed seems very strong. Otherwise, it's also delicious.
Squeeze the sun into a glass. Let the moment slowly pass.
I'll cut and seed all of them, after which I will rinse or rewash it again, because removing the seed can sort of mess up your hand or mess up the place. So just after cutting, after deseeding it, I'll rinse it again, and at the end this is what we have. Next, I'll cut them into smaller chunks the way it will fit into my juicer before juicing. The skin is edible, so I'm not peeling off and anything. I'm cutting everything together. And like I said, you can eat this like this without juicing it. Just after removing the seed, washing it clean, you go ahead and enjoy it like that. You don't have to juice it as I'm juicing, but you know me now, I love fruit juice.
Drops of joy from fruit so sweet. Life simple, pleasure we repeat. Feel the day with gentle hands.
Now let's make our juice, golden melon and the orange juice.
Nature's nectar understands. Sip the colors, taste the glow. Homemade magic.
Feel free to add it any other fruit of your choice, but today we're making just these two.
Starts to show. Treasure kitchen love so pure. Every flavor feels secure. Craft and care with every pour. Homemade juice and so much more. From orchard dreams to kitchen light, every drop feels just so right. Blended whisper stories told, in each glass a liquid gold. Pour the warmth into your soul. Tiny moments make you whole. Raise a toast to life so sweet. Homemade joy is hard to beat. Treasure kitchen love so pure. Every flavor feels secure. Craft the care with every.
And here we have our refreshing and the delicious golden melon juice. I hope you're going to give this a try. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye.